Now, I'm sure if you have been shopping Walmart decor for the past couple years, the good stuff goes really fast, like really fast. So this year I decided to get a head start for you guys and share all of the best Walmart decor, which, side note, I think it is better than ever this year. I personally love to browse Pottery Barn, Front Gate, those higher end stores for inspo on just styles I like for the holiday season. I found the most incredible designer looks at Walmart pricing. So you guys turned into a good one. I'm gonna show you how to get that luxury holiday look, but at a Walmart price point. We've seen this over the last couple years that Pottery Barn always shines when it comes to Garland, specifically their cedar Garland wreath and their 9-foot Garland. I mean, it looks so realistic. It's soft. You can mold it however you want it to sit. It's just quality is there, but it's like $160. So high price point for Garland. Their particular cedar wreath is $189, and I found basically the exact same look at Walmart. It's new this year, and y'all, this is gonna go fast. I mean, that same cedar realistic looking Garland, I mean, this is absolutely fabulous. So instead of paying $189, you can get a very similar look for $32 from Walmart. Now, this is their natural feel Norfolk wreath. Now, if you want to grab any of these Walmart items in today's video, you will see them pop up here on the screen, and you can shop them directly on the screen, or you can check them out in the QR code. But this one is $32. It's a 22-inch wreath, but I love the gold ribbon. It's a velvet detail, which you'll be seeing a theme of throughout today's video. But so incredible. Look at the movement. It molds, it lays so beautifully, and this would be beautiful on your front porch, hung over top of a mantle, so many different areas, and it's the perfect size. Now, for $279, they have their 9-foot cedar Garland. And again, year after year, this shines because of how realistic this year. And Walmart came for it this year. I mean, I have it sitting on our shelf right here. This goes beautiful on a mantle. You can wrap this around a staircase. It just is the most realistic Garland, and it doesn't have a weird sheen to it. It looks so natural and beautiful. And for under $35, you can get the 9-foot at Walmart. Again, I foresee this going really fast, but such a simple way to make your home feel cozy and so elegant. Anything that I personally can find shatterproof when it comes to ornaments and Christmas decor is a win. Front Gate, I've had my eye on the shatterproof gold ornaments for quite some time. They are on the pricey side. They retail from about $150 to just over $200 depending on the size and the amount that you like. Storied Home also has a beautiful shatterproof strung ornament that just looks so elegant. It can be styled so many different ways around the home. You can get one strand of these for around $22. But Walmart just released these gorgeous gold shatterproof Christmas balls that are on essentially a garland. So how I styled this, I put it over top of the 9-foot faux cedar garland from Walmart, and it just added such a detail. I loved the hint of the gold balls in the garland, and they just went seamlessly together. And you can get a 72-inch of these shatterproof garlands, Christmas ball garlands, for $18 at Walmart. Now, I love more of like the muted matte gold tone of this. I think it elevates it a lot, and you don't need to just use this on top of garland. You can really style this anywhere. It looks beautiful on a shelf, beautiful on a staircase as well. So you could get multiple of these and style them in your home. And I am here to tell you the golds and the silvers at Walmart this year are stunning. I am just panning and showing you the store of some more of their beautiful ornaments that just really give that high-end, elevated, kind of quiet luxury look, but at like around $2 to $5 from Walmart. Most of the really beautiful ones that I saw were just around $2, which is a very competitive price point. It is actually wild how viral this Home Depot twinkling Christmas tree has gone. Now, this tree is pre-lit and it does come in 4 different height options, which is great, but the quality is there. I mean, it's a nice thick tree. You cannot see through this. It looks just like you freshly cut down this tree. And it has started to go viral last year. It went mega viral, sold out, sold out. It is starting to go viral again now that everyone's thinking Christmas shopping. But just you wait, you guys. I found such a beautiful, I am so impressed by this look for less from Walmart. So the Home Depot one retails for $600 all the way over to $1,000, just depending on the height that you get. Now you can choose to go with a full size or the slim size. I personally love the full size. When I'm going for my main Christmas tree, I want a larger full size tree. It does have the twinkling lights, which just gives that really cozy vibe. But you can get pretty much the same look for about $180 at Walmart. Now, the viral Home Depot tree has gone viral in both the flocked and just the natural green. Walmart has both as well. I'm sharing here the flocked version, but it is thick. It is soft. I mean, 7.5 foot is this one, which is also comparable to the Home Depot one. This does have the twinkling lights. And this tree is crafted with 1,500 branch tips, and it is flocked, so it's going to give that snowy Christmas vibe. So if you're looking to upgrade or grab a new, larger Christmas tree this year, definitely go with this one from Walmart. And I do believe this one will go fast. So I'll keep an eye out and trying to get these items out to you as quickly as I can. And I do foresee this Christmas tree selling out. It did last year, so fingers crossed it stays in stock. This one reminded me so much of that one from Williams-Sonoma. This currently retails for $16. It feels and looks so luxurious. Anything really from the holiday time this year, I feel is really, really good quality for the price point. Now this one is just over 14 inches tall. It looks so stunning, styled up on a mantle or just to complement other small Christmas decor pieces that you have style in your home, on your kitchen counter. This is beautiful. I mean, it just gives such a luxurious look for $16. And one of my personal favorite sayings for the holiday season is "Come, let us adore him." And I've seen so many different beautiful variations of this saying, ranging from $100 to $200. And this one retails for $10 at Walmart. I love kind of the light brown. I feel like that matches the browns in our area really, really well. And then has that gold accent, which you'll be seeing a theme of throughout today's videos. We're seeing a theme of it across the luxury brands as well. And this sits on its own. It doesn't need a stand or anything. It's a nice thick base that will lay beautifully and just looks stunning. Again, styled with other gold Christmas decor this season. A decor piece that I think is timeless year after year is deer. I love a white deer out in the front lawn as well. Obviously at a bigger scale than this one, but we're seeing higher end retailers from Pottery Barn, Williams-Sonoma, ranging from like $70 to $150. And that price is going to fluctuate depending on the style and the size. This is a beautiful, really nice quality by My Texas House. I think that's my favorite line for Christmas, especially at Walmart. Even on their off holiday seasons, her line at Walmart is so luxe. It's that quiet luxury, but at a Walmart price point. This is 11 inches and it retails for $23 at Walmart. And again, another stunning decor piece that you can layer and style with other pieces anywhere in your home, whether that's on your dresser in your bedroom, your kitchen, or a mantle, or just a floating shelf like we have styled behind. But it's just so elevated, and anything with a deer is going to be able to be used year after year. It's so timeless. Now, if you're not looking for the larger, fuller style, I love a corner tree in a room. It can completely make a room feel so cozy and perfect for the holidays. This is actually my third year with this slim flock tree. I mean, it just stands the test of time. It is such good quality. We are seeing the slim flock tree with this same height for $899 at Pottery Barn. Looks very realistic, very beautiful, but you can get that same look for under $90 at Walmart. Now this one is flocked just like the one at Pottery Barn and does have the LED lights that come with it as well. So no need to string Christmas trees. I feel like those days are pretty much gone where we need to string our own Christmas trees. Most trees now come with lights built in, which is amazing. And to style that slim Christmas tree, I picked up the velvet ribbon. Now this comes in a slim and a thicker size. I wanted to go with the slim, and I did like kind of a crisscross candy cane style on this one with gold. Now I did finish up the gold. I only had a little bit of the olive color to share with you, but that's kind of like my Christmas color themes this year, is that kind of olive dark green styled with gold. They complement each other so well, and I just love the way that it elevates the home. Now this retails for about $2, which is incredible compared to other higher end stores. Now continuing on with the velvet, we're seeing that also in the Christmas balls. So if you're looking to redo your Christmas tree this year, try out a different theme, a color, a style, the velvet Christmas balls are everywhere, but they're expensive. For just a set, you could be spending $50 to $100. And I was head over heels when I saw this pack for $21 at Walmart. They have such a nice soft velvet on them. It doesn't feel like something that's gonna fall off. It feels like it's gonna last for years to come. And it's such a good olive green. It's that perfect like deeper tone that doesn't have any of that like bright, more cheesy green. It just looks so beautiful on a Christmas tree with some gold details. I've loved the look of a woven tree collar. It's, I would say, more so compared to the cloth ones that lay on the floor. That's just what I'm seeing across the designer brands as well. And I've loved this one from Pottery Barn for years, but it is at a much higher price point. So Balsam Hill came out with this gorgeous woven tree collar. It's about $189, which just feels like so much for just a base of a Christmas tree. But I just have always loved the style of it. I prefer that to just like the flat cloth ones that lay on the floor. This year for $28, Walmart released basically the same exact item. And talk about just Christmas trees in the past. Something that's made them feel more unnatural to me was the bottom of the tree to where the start of the branches are. Because when you look at a normal or a real tree outside, the branches will almost like hit the floor. So I love a good tree color. I feel like it fills in that gap that makes it look more unnatural. And I just love the way that this pulls in the warmer tones from the gold and just really complements the velvet. So you can grab one for $28 at Walmart right now. These crystal and pearl trees off of Pottery Barn are one of my absolute favorite Christmas pieces year after year. I mean, they look so luxe, so stunning, but for that you're gonna have at least $150 in them. This is a stunning LED lit pearl tree from Walmart. This is also by My Texas House. I love the gold base. As you're seeing, a theme of gold is really in this year. Now this one is a light up tree, which just makes the room feel more cozy. It takes a simple piece that looks beautiful on its own throughout the day, but then pretty much just transforms it in the evening time. I do have styled it on our shelf back here, but this would look beautiful even with the gold deer that we had just shared on a countertop or a side table to style a little bit more simple. Now, beside that pearl tree, I did style this little white stone snowman. This is by the holiday time. This looks marble, which is so classy feeling. I think this is under $10. It's a nice solid marble tone, and it's that light color that's going to match with really any other decor. So I love what a simple statement this is. And then for $7, I picked up this 12.5-inch gold Christmas tree, which again styled in the back, but looks beautiful and complements a lot of the pieces in today's video. It's sturdy, but not like a super heavy look. And it has that beautiful like shimmery gold design that just has that beautiful sparkle when you walk back, but it looks very elevated and definitely like you spent more than $6 on it. Now, browsing across Balsam Hill, I've always loved their glass vases with a little bit of gold in them. And you can use any vase that you have in your home. I picked up this vase with the gold base on the bottom that looked a lot like the one from Balsam Hill. And then I just threw some gold ornaments in it. And instead of paying $80, $90 for the ones at a higher end store, this was like under $10 to put this all together. Now, this glass vase is so beautiful. It's that hammered glass style that just looks really thick and like you spent a lot of money on it. And this looks beautiful, styled anywhere in your home. You can even switch out these Christmas balls to match your Christmas tree and kind of pull the whole room together, which is a fantastic idea and just stretches your ornaments even farther. Gingerbread houses always feel really nostalgic for me. They remind me of my childhood. It's something that you do a gingerbread house or gingerbread cookies with your grandma at such a young age. So many retailers, higher-end luxury stores just always have beautiful gingerbread houses. And when I saw this one, I'm like, that is so classy. That is so elevated. And it wasn't just this one at Walmart. They had ones from, you know, neutral colors like this, all to beautiful colored ones. You have to check them out. I'll have them linked below. But this one just was so sophisticated looking and just felt cozy like home. So if you want to add just a little bit of nostalgia to your Christmas decor, go with a gingerbread house. Now, when I was browsing at Walmart, I saw the acrylic Nutcracker figurines, and it immediately made me think of just elevated nutcrackers. And this is a crystal nutcracker set. This goes for $24,000. Like, this is a very elevated, sophisticated, comes back timeless year after year piece. And when I saw this acrylic nutcracker, I was like, that looks so beautiful. Like I said, I feel like this year Walmart nailed it, and these pieces are just so good and just pull in the classic Christmas pieces, but at such an elevated look at a great price point. Now, the highest piece is 13 inches, and this little set comes to just below $30. And it does have built-in LED lights, so you get that cozy ambience when it starts to get dark outside. And it makes that 5 o'clock getting dark outside not so bad when you can get that cozy vibe from your decor. Now, I am a sucker for a good picture frame. I feel like this sizing of this can complement smaller decor pieces really, really well. This one's $8. I love a little bit of shimmer that's in it, and you can't really tell through the camera, but it actually has texture to it. So the way that they actually design this is just, it looks so beautiful. This one's $12. This is that picturesque frame style. It is a little stand. I love the gold hardware on this, and really just pulled together a lot of the gold pieces that we have here. And both of these styles you're seeing range for much higher price points, but I think they're so sophisticated, a really, really great quality too. This one's a little bit of a heavier. It's that gold base that makes it feel heavy, but again, this will lay back against a wall, complement other decor really, really beautifully in your home. Pretty much anywhere I can fit greenery in the home, I will put it in every nook and cranny. It makes things just feel cozier. Maybe not like it's freezing outside, but this was such a beautiful arrangement. I love the frosted tips on this. Very similar to the front gate filler, frosted filler. It's very similar to this. That one's like $370. Where this one is under 30 and it's 12 inches in height. It's a nice, thick, full, frosted, and I love that it has the little pine cones in it too, just to bring in a little bit more warmth there. But it has a beautiful white kind of marble looking vase that also matches that marble snowman, so you could put these together. The snowman with the frosted tips is such a good combo. Another way that I love to fill a space when it comes to decor is doing different heights of like a set of 3 trees. Front gate has a beautiful, beautiful style ranging for about $150. I love the different heights. I feel like that just pulls a space together. Well, for ranging around $12 to $20, Walmart has the same really beautiful trees. I have another one up there in the corner that's at a higher height, so they just complement each other really, really well. It's gold, it's simple, but has this beautiful sheen to it, just like the one on front gate. I couldn't believe the style of this for the price point at Walmart. I mean, they've just absolutely nailed it this year. Now, it does have that nice velvet bottom that it doesn't slip as easily, and loved the height of these two on a floating shelf. But I did see these metal gift box decorations, which I thought would complement something on your front porch really, really well. It brings in that holiday Christmas pop of red, but still really elevated and sophisticated. So this is the 10-inch. It does come in different sizes for right around $10 and would look beautiful beside that cypress 2-foot tree out on a front porch as well. Let me know your thoughts down below on the Christmas decor this year at Walmart. I had so much fun putting together this video. If you want to check out my latest unique Amazon gift ideas that nobody's talking about, you can check that out after this video.